Right, we'll start by removing the cover, and that shows the end of the clutch cable. Mine's currently cacked up after it's drowning, but we'll adjust that in a second. Right, if you follow the clutch cable to the back, can't get a decent picture of it, bear with me. Just there. Oh, let's have a look. Just to this bit. There we are. And adjust that so you're loosening it off. You'll be able to get that off the fork. Once you've got it off the clutch fork, this bit here will just pull away. Once you've started to pull the cable out, the threaded part will unhook from there. The threaded part's a little bit thinner, and I will unhook off the holder there. From this point, this should now just pull up from under there. There we go. Just make sure it's not getting caught up on anything. And now we need to have a look in there in a second. Right, to get this grommet out, I'm just using a small pick to pull it away from the bulkhead. Right, trying to get that out is a pain. It only just fits through, and there's a clip. You can just see it. Let me turn this down a second. There's a clip on the other side. If you look under the dashboard behind the clutch pedal, you can just see it. I'll try and take a picture of it. So you can, once you've got the clutch cable loose, you just unhook it. Let me just show you the other cable I've got. That just hooks onto the back of the clutch pedal. But when you're pulling it out through the bulkhead, you've got to make sure that isn't catching on the clip. I'll see if I can get a picture of it for you. A little bit of wiggling and it comes through. Right, once you've got the new cable poked back through, which seems to be a lot harder than it should be, if you move the clutch pedal and put your finger on the top of it, you'll feel where it is. There's a little hook, so the new cable just needs to hook back over that, and then obviously reassembly is the opposite to what you've just done. It's not a difficult job, but it is an absolute pain in the arse. Everything's so fiddly. But there you are. That probably hasn't helped anybody. Certainly hasn't helped me. But yeah, see you on the next one.